And every single other preaches that I'm gonna find peace soon.